The doorbell camera captured the moment when a man accidentally found a wallet in a Walmart parking lot and took the time to return it directly to the owner's home.
Hi, does Casey live here? I just got out of Walmart and I found this in the parking lot.
Oh my
So
God.
I did look.
At the time, his father had just gone back to Walmart, trying to look for his missing wallet. As the man showed him the wallet, the young man was speechless with joy and disbelief.
So you're a good man. I didn't take anything from it, by the way.
I appreciate that so much.
So if you get, I messaged them on Messenger. You guys take care.
This is proof that good people still exist.